The most important thing in a workers' compensation case is the injured worker's credibility. No matter how difficult a case, no matter how terrible the injuries or accident or situation is for the injured worker, if the injured worker is not believable, the story and the consistency and what the message is from the injured worker to the attorney, to everyone else involved in the case, if that's not believable, if the injured worker is not believable, then your case is not going to be a winning case. The attorney-client privilege is sacred. The client holds that privilege, meaning they can make or break that privilege. So anything that is told to the attorney or the attorney's staff is privileged and remains confidential. That should encourage full disclosure, full communication from the injured worker to the attorney and staff. So when you're having discussions with our staff or with one of the attorneys, tell them everything, even if it's something you think that is embarrassing or will hurt your case or whatever it may be. Whatever your reason for not wanting to share it, share it. It helps us to represent you better. Let me give you an example. When you're asked about your work situation and you're not working for the company where you were injured because of these injuries, but you have side jobs where you're being paid cash, or even if they're taxable income, tell us about those jobs. Here's why. The insurance company and your employer has the right to do surveillance on you so long as it's lawful. If they catch you, for example, umpiring in the community, and you don't tell your attorney about this work that you're doing, and that's paid income, that hurts your credibility. It shows that you're maybe hiding something or hiding something even bigger. The littlest things can become big things if you don't disclose them to your lawyer to let your lawyer handle them. This may be your first and only injury on the job case, but it's not ours. We have tons and tons of experience and know how to deal with these things. For your sake of the case, for your credibility, and for your lawyer's ability to do their job properly, please disclose everything when you're asked. And even if it's things that you think that haven't been discussed or haven't been asked but are important, tell us. Let us help you to decide how to deal with it so we can strategize, we can protect your legal rights. If you have questions, comments, or concerns about your case and things you haven't told us yet, give us a call, 205-930-6900.